Bob Boldt HVAC is a trusted HVAC contractor in Dakota County, Minnesota, known for delivering high-quality heating and cooling services. Our licensed technicians handle everything from installations and repairs to maintenance, with a focus on energy efficiency and customer satisfaction. For reliable HVAC solutions, call Bob Boldt HVAC today. How to find reliable HVAC contractors? To find reliable HVAC contractors in Dakota County, look for companies with strong customer reviews, licensed technicians, and a proven track record of quality service. A reliable contractor will offer transparent pricing, energy-efficient solutions, and comprehensive services from installation to repair. Bob Boldt HVAC checks all these boxes, providing expert, trusted HVAC services in the area. How much do HVAC services cost? The cost of HVAC services in Dakota County, Minnesota, varies depending on the type of service, system size, and complexity. Repairs typically range from $100 to $500, while full installations can cost between $3,000 and $10,000. For an accurate estimate, contact Bob Boldt HVAC. What services do HVAC contractors offer? HVAC contractors offer a range of services, including installation, repair, and maintenance of heating and cooling systems. They also provide air quality solutions, energy efficiency upgrades, and emergency repair services. Bob Boldt HVAC delivers all these services with expertise and reliability. What are the areas near does Bob Boldt HVAC that provides HVAC service? Bob Boldt HVAC proudly provides HVAC services to Shakopee, Minnesota, and the surrounding cities, ensuring reliable heating and cooling solutions across the region. Our service areas include nearby cities such as Rosemount, Eagan, Apple Valley, Inver Grove Heights, Burnsville, Farmington, Mendota Heights, South St. Paul, Lakeville, Cottage Grove, Bloomington, West St. Paul, Savage, Richfield, and Hastings, Minnesota. Where is the Bob Boldt HVAC Shakopee, Minnesota located? We are located at 5005 Dean Lakes Boulevard, Shakopee, Minnesota 55379. Our phone number is 65123733676. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com/shakopee-mm.